Telling time. Mastering AM and PM in English. Hello, learners. Today, we are going to learn something very important about telling time in English. We will focus on how to read and write time using AM and PM. This will help you to communicate effectively about daily routines, schedules, and plans. Let's dive in. First, we need to understand the basics. In English, time is often expressed using a 12-hour clock system. This means that the day is divided into two parts, from midnight to noon, 12 a.m. to 11:59 a.m., and from noon to midnight, 12 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. AM stands for ante meridiem, which is Latin for before midday. It refers to the period from midnight to just before noon. PM stands for post meridiem, which is Latin for after midday. It refers to the period from noon to just before midnight. In English, we write the time using numbers and a colon to separate the hours from the minutes. For instance, if we want to write 10 past 9 in the morning, we write it as 9:10 a.m. If we want to say quarter past 8 in the evening, we write it as 8:15 p.m. When it comes to writing time in words, there are several important rules to keep in mind. We generally use past for minutes after the hour up to 30 minutes, and to for minutes before the hour. For example, 9:10 a.m. can be written as 10 past 9 in the morning, and 5:50 p.m. as 10 to 6 in the evening. When it's half an hour past the hour, we use half past. For example, 2:30 p.m. is half past 2 in the afternoon. We use o'clock only for exact hours. For example, 3 a.m. is 3 o'clock in the morning, not 0 past 3. Now it's time to practice what we have learned. Try to convert the following digital times to words. 1. 7:45 a.m. 2. 12 p.m. 3. 4:30 p.m. 4. 11:15 p.m. Write your answers in the comments below, and we'll check them together in the next video. Well done on making it this far. We've covered how to read and write time in English using AM and PM. Practice regularly, and you'll find yourself becoming more comfortable with this important skill. Remember, being able to tell time accurately can help you avoid confusion in many real-life situations. See you in the next video.